Do you know that many pig farmers are losing money every single day? Not because their pigs are sick, but because they are feeding them the wrong amount? Some pigs are overfed, wasting feed. Others are underfed, growing too slowly. And here's the truth. If you don't know exactly how much your pig should eat per day, you are guessing, and guessing is expensive. In this video, I will show you the exact amount of feed pigs need daily, from piglets to full-grown pigs, so you can grow faster and spend less. Welcome back. If you want your pigs to grow fast, stay healthy, and make you real profit, then you must understand feeding properly. Because feed alone can take 60% to 80% of your total cost. So today, I'll break everything down in simple English. How much piglets eat, how much growers eat, how much adult pigs eat, and the biggest feeding mistakes farmers make. Let's go straight into it. Section 1. Why feed amount matters. Before we talk about numbers, understand this. Feeding pigs is not about just giving food. It's about growth, health, profit. If you give too much feed, you waste money. Pigs become too fat, slow reproduction. If you give too little, pigs grow slowly. Take longer to sell, you lose profit. So balance is everything. Section 2. How much feed piglets eat. Let's start with piglets. Piglets are young pigs from birth to about 2 months old. At this stage, they eat very small amounts, but very important feed. From 1 to 2 weeks, mostly breast milk, very little solid feed. From 2 to 8 weeks, start eating creep feed. Daily feed per piglet, around 0.25 kilograms to 0.5 kilograms per day. That's about a small handful to a small bowl. Important tip: piglets need high-protein feed to grow fast. If you feed them poorly here, they will struggle for life. Section 3. How much grower pigs eat. Now this is where things get serious. Grower pigs are between 2 months to 4 months old. This is the stage where pigs grow very fast. Daily feed intake, around 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms per pig per day. Yes, this is where your feed cost starts increasing, but this is also where your profit is built. Tip: don't reduce feed here to save money. If you underfeed, growth slows down. You delay selling. You lose more money in the long run. Feed them well, but don't waste. Section 4. How much finisher pigs eat. Finisher pigs are 4 months to market weight, usually 6 to 7 months. This stage is all about weight gain. Daily feed, around 2 kilograms to 3 kilograms per pig per day. At this stage, pigs eat a lot, grow fast. Get ready for sale. Smart farmer tip: this is where feed efficiency matters most. If your feed is poor quality, pigs will eat more but gain less weight. That's a big loss. Section 5. How much adult pigs eat. Now let's talk about adult pigs. Boars, male pigs, eat about 2 to 3 kilograms per day. Pregnant sows, about 2 to 2.5 kilograms per day. Lactating sows, feeding piglets, up to 4 to 5 kilograms per day. Yes, lactating pigs eat the most. Why? Because they are feeding many piglets at once. If you don't feed them enough, piglets become weak, milk production drops, you lose future profits. Section 6. Factors that change feed intake. Now listen carefully. This is where many farmers get it wrong. The amount a pig eats is not fixed. It depends on 1. Weather. Hot weather leads to pigs eat less. Cold weather leads to pigs eat more. 2. Breed. Some breeds grow faster and eat more. 3. Feed quality. Good feed leads to less quantity needed. Poor feed leads to pigs eat more, but grow slowly. 4. Water availability. No water equals low feed intake. Always give clean water. Section 7. Common feeding mistakes. Let's quickly expose the mistakes killing profits. 1. Guessing feed amount. No measurement equals no profit. 2. Feeding once a day. Feed pigs 2 to 3 times daily. 3. Wasting feed. Use proper feeders. 4. Poor feed quality. Cheap feed can be expensive in the long run. 5. Not adjusting with growth. Piglets are not equal to growers, are not equal to adults. Section 8. Simple daily feed summary. Let's make it easy. Piglets to 0.25 to 0.5 kilograms. Growers to 1 to 2 kilograms. Finishers to 2 to 3 kilograms. Adults to 2 to 5 kilograms, depending on type. Save this. This is your guide. Now you know the truth. Feeding pigs is not about giving more, it's about giving the right amount. If you get this right, your pigs will grow faster, stay healthier, bring you more profit. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. How many pigs are you feeding right now? I'll see you in the next video.